Here's a short overview of how the course is organized. Under Start from Here, you'll find the 6 topics and the syllabus, privacy policies, and you can click here to go to Module 1, or you can go to the weekly units. And you can see they're laid out for you each week. What you'd want to do is take a look at this, hit this link, and it takes you to the information and the learnings for that week with goals and objectives, the study guide questions. I've uploaded documents here, but I've also created an overview of each of these documents. Then you have your yellow dig assignment, because you need to take positions and locate supporting evidence to persuade people. You have the question and the purpose, and you click here, and that will take you to your yellow dig. It continues the same way. Click, you come into the second week, objectives, Chapter 13, expectations. I have a little video here for you, etc. That is basically that organization. I have placed the videos, I'm not done yet, for each chapter here. I call them stories from the field. I'm not telling you what you've read in your textbook. I'm talking about how I see it applied in my career. The yellow dig link will tell you the rules and the information and how to set up, etc. The Blackboard folks have gone to a lot of trouble to lay out the information here. I have some chapter note-taking cards for you. There again are the chapter PowerPoints upon which the videos were based. Here, when you click Job Search Process, dink, dink, there it is. You'll find out it's divided into parts. Dink, 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 dink. Nice little visual here. You'll have your support materials, LinkedIn support materials, etc. Then, on the project for your reports, presentations, and PowerPoints, you click there. And the same system. Parts with divided with a nice visual. This is where you will set your groups up together. Yellow dig link. Chapter slide decks, as I've said before. Delete. Delete. Because you are not doing the chapter quizzes, as I've noted. You have your LinkedIn case study, which covers chapter 7, 8, and 9. There are a couple of discussion boards about like cell phones for team contact, etc. The syllabus quizzes here, the directions, paper 1, paper 2, etc. That's how the course is organized. If you catch something that's not aligned, it's basically because I missed it in the course redo. I hope this will help you get oriented.